What's up, guys? I am back. I know I have been absent for a couple weeks. I've just returned from a 3-week holiday visiting friends and family in sunny Cape Town, South Africa. Sometimes you need to recharge the batteries, especially last year was quite hectic, and yeah, you don't want to burn yourself out, so holidays are really important. But now I'm back, ready to take on 2022. I've got a lot of exciting plans for this year that I want to share with you guys and take you along on that journey. So I know you guys who watch this channel love the numbers, and since the video I did showing the revenue in 2020 did so well, I thought I'd do a similar video showing the revenue I made in 2021. Also want to share with you guys my plans moving forward this year and how I plan on growing, and I would like to take you guys on that journey with me. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer and check the revenue numbers for 2021. So here we are in my Skillz dashboard once again, and you can see from January 1st 2021 until December 31st 2021 I made a total of $185,528.37 with around 377,000 installs. So comparing this to 2020, the total for that year was $107,000. We are up almost $80,000, $78,000. And you might be asking what is responsible for this growth, which is it's quite funny because I didn't really release any new titles in 2021. All I really did was give my existing games some much needed TLC, as I explained in other videos, which maximized the revenue from those games, and that was responsible for the majority of the revenue, the extra revenue. Installs were pretty much the same, maybe a little bit higher, and yeah, so there we have it. And also, again, this is all from organic traffic. I spent $0 on any paid user acquisition campaigns, which is awesome. This year I plan on changing that. I really want to get stuck in and start doing some advertising and really scale up from last year. So there you have it, guys. Those are the numbers for 2021. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I do feel blessed that I was able to grow, especially as 2021 was not such a kind year to many of us, and yeah, especially in these crazy times, to see some sort of growth has been really a blessing. So in 2022, my plan is to align with the right people and the right partnerships to further grow my game studio. I also want to get stuck into paid user acquisition, and as many of you guys know who watch this channel, that on its own is a science, and yeah, it's pretty tough. So these are the things I'll be focusing on this year to further scale my game studio, and I would love to take you guys on that journey with me and share with you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. And yeah, that's what this channel is about, complete transparency. Yeah, I was also, like many of you guys out there, starting at zero, and yeah, it takes time and patience and a little bit of knowledge to know what to be looking for and know what to be doing. And if I can play a role in helping you guys achieve some sort of success, I'll be truly happy. And yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, smash that like button, it means a lot. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.